Hey Leslie, Eric Johansson. I'm going to show you how to lock down comments on your page. So this is a page I just recently set up. Something you might be interested in doing. I'm going to be interviewing local business owners and just giving them an opportunity to talk about their business, either with a video or an audio, and then you'll have I'll provide like a shareable link or an embed code so that people can put this on their website or share it on social media. That kind of thing. But at any rate, so here's just a typical Facebook page. So go to settings, which is right up here in the upper right, and then right here, visitor posts. Go to edit, and then you can change this up. Right now, I have mine set where visitors to the page can publish posts, and they can also put photos and videos in their posts. So you could unselect that, and then you can also, and this is the big thing for you, you want to be able to review posts by other people before they are published to the page. Okay, and there's some other, anyway. So that's really all you need to do. Just set it up so that you can see the posts and decide what actually gets submitted to the page. Hit Save Changes and you're good to go. And then I always like to test it. So, have somebody, submit a post, and that way you can see the process and make sure it's all working fine. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.